The delivery guy just dropped off my iPhone cases for my yet to be received iPhone 12 Pro. I got the navy blue silicone and the clear silicone. So let's open them up and take our first look at them. Oh, and MagSafe. Hey everybody, my name is Jerry, and right now we have my very first accessories for the iPhone 12 Pro. I have the blue silicone case, the white silicone case, and a MagSafe charger. So we're gonna pop these open, take a look at them, and I'll give you my first impressions. So right off the bat, the box, of course, looks like a traditional Apple accessory box. Nothing special about it. Little green tab right here. We're gonna pull that, and I should pop the top open, slide the case out, and we have a little document here and the case. Now, before I get too far, I don't like Apple silicone cases normally. The cases I have, you can see my previous videos on, they start to come apart down at these bottom corners. I'm not sure exactly why, but I've had multiple cases do the exact same thing. And I swore I'd never buy an Apple silicone case without a major redesign. Well, it looks like we have a redesign. So just like other Apple silicone cases, it feels the same. The texture is actually, it feels good. I really like the way that the texture feels, the smoothness of it. I do like the soft microfiber lining on the inside. And you can see right off the bat, there's a couple of differences from the previous Apple silicone cases. First off, the bottom is now covered. I'm sure a lot of people will be happy about this, having more protection on the bottom, whereas they didn't have that on the previous cases. The buttons feel about the same, although it's really hard to tell without a phone in there. They might feel a little bit looser, which might make them a little bit more clicky with the actual physical buttons on the phone versus what you get with the previous cases. On the inside, you can see here that there's this ring here for the MagSafe charger, which I guess there's magnets in here that allows the MagSafe charger to snap on the back. We'll look at that in just a second. So that is the blue silicone case. I really like the color. It's really dark. I'm not sure exactly how well that's going to go with the blue iPhone 12 Pro. It might clash just a little bit, but I guess we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll have to buy a different colored case. I didn't really like the case options along with the colors of the blue 12 Pro. Next up, we have the clear case. Same thing, tab on the back, pop that open. And I think I said before, clear silicone case. It's obviously not silicone. It's more of a clear, hard plastic. On the inside of this one, you can actually see iPhone, MagSafe, designed by Apple, blah, 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 blah. And I'm curious about this. Is this another magnet that just helps with aligning the MagSafe charger to fit on there correctly? Or is this another magnet that maybe just tells you when an accessory is connected to enable something? The buttons on this guy feel a little bit more shallow than they did on the blue silicone case. So I'm really curious to see how well the iPhone sits in here and how the buttons feel. Because to me, the clickiness of the buttons are important. Being able to click and get the positive feedback that you're expecting makes a big difference knowing whether or not you're hitting the button or not. All right, on to MagSafe. And inside here, it folds open. And there we are. Maybe. I don't want to rip it. I don't want to rip the cardboard, but this thing does not want to come out. There we go. Got it. So first off, this thing has got a little bit of weight to it. A little bit more than I was expecting from some of the videos where they brought the iPhone close to it and the thing just snapped to it. So we'll try the silicone case first. And okay, so it just snaps on there. I was actually expecting it to be a bit snappier, but it does have to be somewhat in the right area for it to grab hold. So you can see this, if I kind of push it, snap on eventually, and keeps it there. So what exactly is that bottom vertical stripe for? Let's try it on the silicone case, or the clear case. So it actually doesn't do anything, as far as I can tell. Doesn't look like there's a magnet there. Doesn't feel like there's a magnet there. So I wonder what that is about. So the MagSafe charger, of course, is aluminum on the outside, white plastic on the inside. It's got a little bit of a soft touch feel to it, kind of a coating, or almost like the silicone case itself. And unfortunately, looks like just about a 3-foot cord. So if you're going to be using this on a nightstand or something else, and you may have been hoping for a 6-foot cord or 2-meter cord or whatever it is, you might be disappointed. I know I am. I was hoping for $35 plus taxes and shipping that I would get a longer cord, since I'm not even getting a charger with it. I have to use my own charging brick, so I'll have to find one to use with it. But I do have the Apple Watch charger as well, so you can kind of see the size difference. There's quite a bit of difference between the Apple Watch charger and the new MagSafe charger, and I have to admit, I'm very confused by MagSafe as a charger for the iPhone. It doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. If this is sitting on a table, like so, and you put your phone on it, and you charge, but then you're done charging and you want to remove your phone, you still need 2 hands to remove it. Now, there's going to be some third-party accessories from Belkin that Apple showed that are more of a base stand where you can just pop your phone on and pop it off without doing anything else, it looks like. However, with this $35 charger, I don't really know what the point is. It's very confusing to me. For me, the benefit of a wireless charger is I can place my phone on it, charge, when it's done, pick it up, walk away. I don't need 2 hands. It's just convenient to be able to put it down and pick it up. Or when I'm sitting at my desk, just put it on the charger, do what I need to do. If I get a notification, I can just pick up my phone, look at it, and set it back down. With the MagSafe charger, I'm going to have to put it down, it'll charge, it snaps on, which at least you know it's on the right spot and it's actually going to charge. However, when I pick it up to look at it, or if I need to just walk away, I have to use 2 hands to disconnect it. I guess if you're sitting at a desk, it's not a big deal to just pick it up, do what you need to do, and then put it back down because it's going to stay charged. And that's, I guess, kind of nice, especially if you're laying in bed or something like that, and you want to use your phone while it's charging. However, you still only have this 3-foot cord, so you might not have enough room to do it. And at this point, why is this any better than using Lightning? Why not just stick a 6-foot Lightning cable into it? Then you can use it sitting at your desk or laying in bed next to your nightstand or whatever. It's hard for me to see a benefit to this charger right now. I don't fully understand it. Maybe once I get the phone, maybe my mind will change. Maybe I'll get a different perspective. But right off the bat, it seems like an odd thing for Apple to make. Oh, and one other thing I've been wondering about is, will this puck charge other items, or is there something in the magnetic connection that is required to be engaged before the wireless charging will turn on? So let's try out my phone. And it looks like the iPhone can be charged. The iPhone 11 Pro can be charged via this MagSafe puck. It looks like it's just using the standard Qi wireless charging. So what about AirPods? And it looks like it charges AirPods as well. So we'll see as other accessories come out. We'll see as we get the wallet and as I get the phone, hopefully later this week, and go from there. But this is a first look at the navy blue Apple Silicone case for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, and the clear plastic case for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, and the new MagSafe charger. What questions do you have about the cases or the MagSafe charger? Let me know below. I'll try and answer them either on Twitter or in the next video, but definitely drop them in the comments. So thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.